Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Sezzle Virtual Card not working issue. So the first thing that you should know is basically it may be different from person to person. So the reason, for example, the reason of your virtual card is not working might be different from another person's reason. So it totally depends on what issue you are having, like what is causing the issue. So as you can see, Sezzle Support Center already do have an article regarding this issue. So the best thing to do in order for you to find out the reason of the issue that you are having is to visit the help center and go to the article that they've got regarding this. And depending on what is the reason that is causing the issue for you, you will basically have the resolution for that. So they actually made it super simple. So they have actually explained the reason of the issue, like all the possible reasons. So might be a failed order. So if it is a failed order, for example, you can log into your dashboard and pay off and any failed payments. So as I said, it totally depends on the reason that is causing the issue for you. You need to double check that and go from there.